guys, it's me Jess here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make a bias slip skirt with elastic waistbands. This elastic makes the skirt feel so comfortable when wearing, but it still fits nicely on your body by the bias cutting methods. It's also quite simple and beginner-friendly DIY, so I hope you guys will like it and try it out. And let's get started.
The first step is making the pattern for the skirt. I fold the paper in half first. Then I draw a straight line cutting the folding line later. It will be the waistline of the skirt. From the first straight line, I draw another one at 26 cm away from it. It's a quarter of my hip size plus 3 cm, and this will be the hip line of the skirt. From the first straight line, I keep drawing another line at 85 cm away from it. It's the length from the belly button to over my knee. It's also the length of the skirt that I want. From the end of the first straight line, I mark up 24 cm, which is a quarter of my hip size plus 1 cm. From the end of the second straight line, I mark up 25 cm, which is a quarter of my hip size plus 2 cm. The bigger you mark here, the looser skirt will be. Then I connect two marks together. The slanted line will cut the third straight line at one point to create the side line of the skirt. From the end of the first straight line, I mark at 1 cm on the folding line. Then connect this mark to the top of the side line. Based on it, I draw a slightly curved line to create the waistline of the skirt. From the end of the side line, I mark up 1 cm. Then connect this mark to the end of the third straight line. Based on it, I draw a slightly curved line to create the ending line of the skirt. Adding 1 cm for seam allowance at the ending line, 1.5 cm for seam allowance at the side line and the waistline. And we will have the skirt pattern after cutting. You will need to cut 2 pieces for this pattern in the bias fabric. I used 2 meters of silk cotton fabric for this DIY. After cutting, I connect 2 pieces of the skirt together at 2 side lines. Make sure the wrong side of the fabric facing each other. Then sewing them with a half centimeter for the width of the seam. After sewing, I turn the skirt inside out first. Then use the iron to keep the folding seam stay before making another seam at 1 cm outside the first one. I also iron it after sewing to make it nicer. This is the technique to make the French seam. It helps to hide the end of the fabric and make the skirt look clean inside out. At the waistline of the skirt, I mark in the middle of the front and the back waistline to divide it into 4 equal parts. After that, I measure and cut the elastic band with 1.5 cm width and 66 cm length, which is my waist size. I connect 2 ends of the elastic band together by using the zigzag stitching first. After that, I make 4 marks on the elastic band to divide it into 4 equal parts. Then connect these 4 marks on the elastic band to 4 marks on the waistline of the skirt. Make sure the elastic band will be outside of the right side of the fabric. Then sewing to connect the elastic band to the waistline of the skirt. Make sure when sewing, you pull the elastic band to make it longer and in the same size with the waistline. After sewing, I fold the elastic band inside 2 times, then sew it to top side line to keep the folding. At the end of the skirt, I fold the end fabric inside a half centimeter first, then sewing. After that, I use the iron to make the folding nicer before cutting the leftover fabric a bit. Then fold the end of the skirt inside one more time with a half centimeter, and sew to finish the ending line of the skirt. Don't forget to iron the ending line after sewing to make it nicer. And I finished the DIY. Here is my final result. This is such a simple and easy project to make, but the skirt turned out so pretty and comfortable to wear. You also can wear it for any season. That's why I hope you guys will like it and try it out soon. See you in the next DIY.